Hello viewers, in this video I am going to tell you how to calculate result for the students. Say in this sheet I have taken 4 subjects, that is Tamil, English, Maths, Science, or we can have any other name, right? And I have calculated total marks also. Now I want to find out whether these students are got pass or not. So normally if all the subject marks is greater than 50, the student is pass and they'll be promoted to next standard. And if any one of the subject if the student got below 50 marks, the student is termed as fail students, right? So for that we can make use of if statement. So the syntax for the statement if is equal to if we have to pass any one of the logical test. If the test is true, we have to test is true, we have to type true part, and if the test is not true, we have to type fail part. So that's what the syntax itself says. If logical test, and if the test is correct, it returns 1, then what we have to do, that is true. If the test result is not true, then what we have to do, right? So that's what we are going to do. What? And there is a logical operators are also, that is called and, or, and not. So and statement, we have to pass condition. If the condition is true, it will give you the true, that is it gives true. Say for example here, and 10 greater than 20 and 5 greater than say 2. So here this is true, 5 greater than 2 is true and 10 greater than 20 is false. So we have given two conditions, and statement will return true when both the conditions are true. So here we have given one is true, another one is false, so it returns false. Whereas in our statement, if any one of these statement is true, it gives true. Right. So for example, this is, let me give like this, right? So this is true and this is false, but it gives you the true statement, right? So using this logical statement we are using, we will be calculating results now, that is whether the student got pass or fail. So for that, equal to if open bracket and open bracket, say first subject greater than or equal to 50, comma, second subject greater than or equal to 50, comma, third subject greater than or equal to 50, comma, fourth subject greater than or equal to 50, right? So close the and statement parenthesis. Now the and is closed. So if it returns true value, so the student is pass. If the condition returns not true, the student is fail. So close the bracket, press enter. Say here the student, that is Andrel, got more than 50 or equal to 50 in all the subject. So the result is pass. Now click and drag it. Say here the student scored less than 50 marks. So now if you change this mark, automatically the result is also updated. So like that, using Excel easily we can calculate pass or fail. So like that, using if statement we can also calculate first class, second class, third class, like that. So for that we have to understand how, when, and we have to use the and as well as our statement. So like that easily you can calculate results of a student. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.